Want to order products from Alibaba using just your phone? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the search bar at the top and type in the product you're looking for. Scroll through the results and choose a product that matches what you need. When you open it, tap Add to Cart. Choose the color and add order quantity. Make sure everything looks good before moving forward. If you're satisfied, tap Add to Cart. Next, tap the cart icon to review your items. Select the product and press Checkout. Next, tap Add Address, enter your shipping address carefully, and tap on Save option, choose your preferred payment method, and fill in your payment details. Before paying, double-check your order summary to avoid mistakes. Once everything is correct, tap Pay Now to place your order. After successful payment, your order will be processed, and you can track delivery directly in the app. And that's how you order from Alibaba using your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. See you in the next video.